Alright, hello everyone. I have just taken delivery for these two LED UFO high bay lights. They're 300 watts and I think they're rated to give about 30,000 lumens. So this came from Amazon Germany, and I suppose that maybe I'm taking a bit of a risk ordering off Germany, but the price is just so much more competitive than what you would, like the equivalent you would buy off an electrical wholesalers here in Ireland. I think like this came as a twin pack, so two lights coming at once, but you can also get delivery of singles, and you can also get I think they come in 4 packs as well, and maybe 6 pack, I'm not sure, but you get them cheaper if you get them in a pack. So this double package basically cost me about €140, whereas that single package I just showed you over there I think cost me about €100 when all the costs came in terms of shipping and VAT and things like that. So you're much better off ordering in packs. I only needed 3, so I didn't think there was any point to get a two packs or a 4 pack or whatever. I just ended up spending more money then. But obviously you get a huge cost saving, and just to give some details there, it's a Bapro. I'm not sure if that's a recommended brand or whatever, but these are a Bapro 300 watt, and the features are super bright, fixing bracket, surface coating, waterproof IP65 and low temperature resistant, and excellent heat dissipation. Now that's important for where this is going. This is going into, or these are going into a shed on our farm here. It's maybe somewhere between 25 and 30 feet high in the middle of it, where I'm hoping to hang these out of by these hooks here with chains. You know, it's a tall enough shed. That's why I went for the 300 watt. There are options to get maybe, I think it's 150 or 200 watt with less lumens. But since I was figuring that this is going to be quite high, I thought I'd just go overkill and get the 300 watt ones. But obviously the lower rating is actually cheaper too. But I only wanted 3 of these, so I said, feck it, I'll just go for the higher ones and, you know, have maybe too much light. It wouldn't be too bad. Yeah, I should start off by saying that the 2 pack is just basically 2 individual boxes sellotaped on top of each other. But yeah, let's get into it. So the individual one I ordered previously came damaged in its styrofoam. Maybe that's just common in transit, but this one actually did too, in the exact same place. Like this whole flat piece on the bottom, that was split there, and the other one too. But I think the light is fine. It's rather protected, like this was on top as well. So the light itself comes in this little packaging. You get I think it's a 50 centimeter, is it 3-core cable coming out of it? I'm not an electrician, but I know that it's going into, or that we are using 2.5 millimeter squared 3-core cable to run across the roof of the shed. So obviously these will be meeting in a junction box somewhere, but not sure what kind of cable that is. You also get this, is it a 1-foot-long chain, handy for hanging out with the rafters of the shed. Excuse the noise, but it is quite a sturdy feeling light. Like there is a bit of weight to it. I think it could be like 5 kilos. That might be the total weight of the package. But again, here we go. It's a Bapro, BAPRO LED UFO light. So here's all the LEDs circling around. Not sure how many's there, but 30,000 lumens must be quite bright. So I'm expecting big things from these. Yeah, it's also important that it has the IP65 rating as well for any kind of livestock shed. Any kind of shed outdoors, I suppose. You want some sort of highly rated weatherproofing. But yeah, I think I'm fairly happy with these. Like, they don't seem to be damaged. They seem to be decent quality. People were kind of recommending me maybe not to go for things off Amazon, just to have a bit of peace of mind, kind of ordering locally, or from like you know, a national distributor or whatever. But look, cost comes into it too, and you know, these are very competitively priced, so I said I'd chance it. Yeah, for now, Here's the light, and we'll see what goes. So that's that. So these are the new UFO 300 watt high bay lights going up, LED lights, and we're just installing the final one now in this 8 bay long shed. Hopefully it's a big improvement in lighting, but it has to be because we have nothing in here now. So anything would be an improvement. But these are to give out 30,000 lumens, so I think this is more than enough. Well, hopefully it is. So we're soon to find out. Here's the lights. Here they are. As a final product. 3 UFO high bay lights. Pretty good coverage for only 3 lights. And we also put lighting into this shed with 5-foot LED, 6,600 lumen, 60 watt output. Both happy with their new bed. 3 high bay lights again. They're nearly sore to look at. Sore in the eye, but you know, for 3 lights it isn't too bad. Might be a bit dark on the edges or the ends. In hindsight, you probably could have got 4 lights, but I was being cheap, only got 3. But that's where we are now, I suppose. And just to finish off this shed here, 4 LEDs, as I said, 2 and 2, and it lights up the shed quite well. If we let out these cows and calves here now, a couple of days, and that's that.